What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing this HD action camera that you guys are not gonna believe this. I found this at the 99-cent store, and they had them in different colors. They had this gold rose, they had pink, black, gray, and I believe white too, and blue. And I couldn't believe the price. I mean, look, $9.99, and here's the side of the box. And look, this is what's crazy. I have a GoPro, which is the one I'm using to record right now, but this one doesn't have a screen, and this one has a 2-inch display, as you guys could see. HD action camera, 2-inch LCD display, and it also comes with the waterproof casing, mounting kit, and accessory pack. And the specifications are video format 1080p, LCD screen 2 inches, lens angle 90, frame speed 30 fps, picture format 12M, 5M, 3M, 2M, JPG, waterproof housing, IP68, 100, it says right there. I don't know what that means. 100 feet, 30 millimeters. I don't know what that means. And to charge it, comes with the micro USB 2.0 and TF car slot. And of course, the battery is rechargeable. It's a lithium battery. And it tells you right here too on the side, waterproof up to I'm assuming 30 meters is what they mean. HD 1080p, 90-degree angle lens, and the battery life is 1.5-hour battery, and the 2 LCD screen. And I'll be impressed if it actually holds up to 1.5, because the GoPro I have right now is yeah, like for some reason it won't last me not even 45 minutes. But anyway, guys, let's get started and see what comes in the box. Oh wait, where's my little knife? Oh wait, yeah, I should have got my little bullet knife. This thing has some things in here which I'll break. There we go. And there we go. So the box is simple, you know. Take it out, put that right here to the side, and we get a lot of goodies in here. Wow, here's the camera itself. You guys can see, it looks really nice, and it actually has some weight to it. It's almost the same. It's actually the same similar casing, and very similar to the GoPro. Let me get it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it has a weight to it. It feels like a GoPro if you know, if I didn't know any better. But here's the camera, and let me show you guys what I'm saying from the casing. You guys see that? The casing looks very similar, except that the buttons down here, and this one has 2 buttons on the side, and the GoPro only has 1. But this is very similar case to this one right here. But we get in the box, we get a part for the mounting, to mount it to something, micro USB cable for charging. We also get this thing to hold the camera. Mounting, like I said, it's mounting. It's all mounting kit stuff. And right here, it looks like a little sticky thing. But like I said, all these parts are for mounting. You guys can see it's another mount. This actually feels like metal. I'm not too sure. And more of these pads, which I'm not too sure what they do. Oh, and what is this? This little pouch? Oh no, they're the mounting straps. They're the straps. You guys see that? Oh, that's nice. That's a lot of things for $9. And you also get this other little piece to mount the camera. And we finally get the instruction manual. It tells you everything, how to use the camera, how to set it up. Oh, here it is. Very simple. But now, for now, let me take it off the case. Let's see. Let's see how easy it is to take it off the case. Oh, very easy. Just like the GoPro. Oh, this actually weighs a little bit less than the GoPro. Here's the micro USB connection to charge it, and the micro SD card slot. Here's the screen. It looks like it has a screen protector of some sort because that looks pretty scratched. I don't know what these buttons do. This has arrows up and down, and this one says OK. And here's the power button. And yeah, let's turn it on and see if it has some juice. Actually, oh, and it does turn on. We get an LED indicator on top and an LED indicator on the side. And I'm gonna have to put a micro SD card in here, so I could actually record. Let me see what can we do with that. Oh, I guess I had to insert a card first. But that is very nice. It's included little screens included in there, so you could actually see what you're recording. Unlike the GoPro, you have to download the app, or if you don't have an app, you have to, just rely on, the angle or whatever you're at recording, and hopefully you're recording what you want to record. So this is, let me see, what does the OK button do? Not much. Let me put a micro SD card in here. I don't know if the 64 gigabyte SD card that I have is gonna be able to, if this camera supports up to 64 or not. But I want to find out. But look, it kind of looks cool right there. The little lights from the LCD screen. Like I said, LED indicator on this side, and I thought this was an LED indicator too, where the charging port's at. I don't know if you guys could notice that, but yeah. So give me a second, guys, and let me put this camera to charge for a little bit and put a micro SD card and probably do some recording off camera, and then I'll upload the footage with the video, and then we'll look into the settings and see what we could do with the settings inside the camera. So give me a second, guys, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, here's how the camera actually looks like. As you guys can see, I have Nugget there and Little Nugget Jr. just chilling. This is the quality at 1080p. I'm gonna do a 780p quality too. Here's my little setup, I guess you could say, and the laptop. Let me go outside now. Here's Gansito. I don't know if you guys can see him. Gansito. He's rolled up into a little ball. Let's go outside real quick. You guys could get a better view of how it looks outside. Well, this is how it looks outside, guys. Here's the night. I don't know how good the quality might be on here. But yeah, I'm gonna stop it and change it to 720p. Alright, guys, we are at 720p now. We are outside right here. Get a view. As you guys could see, I do see some glare. I think that's due to the lens. But let's go inside. Gansito, let's go. Come here. Gansito, come here. Good boy. Close that. There he is, right there, chilling like a villain. And now we go back to the turtles. Nugget right there, basking. And yeah, guys, this is my new turtle setup right there. You guys might remember last time how I had it. 720p. See how it is? Is this camera worth $10? At least for me, it already is worth $10 because all the accessories that we got. Very nice indeed. But yeah, guys, this is 720p, and I'll let you guys know. Well, I'll put this on the video so you guys can see. And also, let me take a picture, some pictures. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you guys can see, the video on 1080p and other video on 720p, they don't look good, but they don't look really bad either, but they do look bad. The pictures, you guys saw them too. The pictures don't look nothing good at all. Like I say, they don't look good, don't look bad either, but they don't look good. You guys know what I'm saying. Do I recommend this camera? I don't know. It's kind of hard to decide. I mean, if you guys need a camera and it comes with all these accessories, I mean, why not? Like I said, the quality is not terrible, but it's not good. You know, you're not gonna impress somebody with them. But if you need like a little backup camera, maybe, or you want to take a camera that's not, you know, you want to take like a shitty camera or something that you're doing, and you don't want to mess up your good camera, then go ahead and buy this one. Another thing, I had an issue since this records on AVI format. For some reason on my computer, the audio was out of sync, and I have experienced that in the past with some YouTube videos that I have done, like my blog post video. For some reason, the audio gets unsync from the video. But yeah, guys, let me just show you guys the settings real quick so you guys could actually see. So right here, I don't know if you guys could actually see it, but you get the resolution. You press OK. You guys could see I have it on 720p, and then I recorded it on full HD apparently, which didn't even look like 720p at all, or even full HD. You could also record in BGA, 640 by 48, and then basically you could record on 240p, 480p, 720p, and 1080p. But I mean, to be honest, 1080p and 720p look like probably like 360p, maybe at max 40p. I mean 480p. But that's just that right there. Let me just change it back. You could do the here's the settings. Date. By the way, you navigate with these arrows. Like I said, the buttons right here. You could have the date tag on or off, motion detection, cyclic record, which I don't know what that means, or cyclic. You could put the audio all the way, the volume down or up, or have it off. EV, you could have it, I don't know, there's different formats, resolution for the camera too, to take pictures. I had it on 16, apparently. I don't know if the M stands for 16 megapixels or millimeters. I don't know the type of lens, I guess. Fast view, delay pictures, delete, lock, and the volume. Which, by the way, I had the volume all the way at 8, and when you could actually look at the videos through the camera. And to be honest, you can't hear nothing. Like you have to put the little speaker girl, like right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's right here. You have to put the speaker girl to your ears, so you could actually hear what you're saying. And even like that, it's really hard to notice what you're saying. Then you could format the SD card, languages. You get like a bunch of languages you could put it on. Auto power off, screensavers, reset system, frequency, and time setting, and video rotate, and you get version. That's about it. That's basically what's in the menu, guys. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. I mean, is this camera worth $10? Of course it is. I mean, you're not gonna expect, you know, you're not gonna expect full HD quality at 60 FPS or good pictures or anything. It's a $10 camera basically. And another issue I want to mention is when I review the video on the computer, like I said, the audio was out of sync, but I have an AVI player, BLC player. I don't know if you guys heard about that one, but I used that one to actually look at the videos, and the audio was, you know, nice in sync. The audio was sync, but there was an issue. There was like this buzzing, no, not this buzzing noise, but like a humming noise throughout the video audio. I don't know if that's part of the software or part of the camera. I can't really tell. That's another issue I had. Like, if you're gonna record with it, it's gonna be really annoying showing somebody a video and hearing that noise. It's like a humming, like a humming noise. I don't know how to explain. Like, maybe the closest I think is like when you put two microphones close together, or a speaker and a microphone close together, and it goes like, you know, that kind of thing. But anyway, guys, like I said, is it a really bad camera? No, it's not. I do recommend it to people, to a certain amount of people that maybe need a camera, or, you know, just want something that records. So maybe not something important, but, like, you know, something simple. Maybe you don't want to, maybe go on a road trip or hiking or something, and you don't want to take your good camera and, you know, risk damaging it. I mean, this one you could damage it. I mean, it's $10. I mean, easily replace it. But I do like that it does come with all those accessories, including the waterproof shell. And I already tested them on my GoPro, and the GoPro actually fits in the shell next to it. And all the accessories that come with it work with the GoPro too. So I think that's a pretty good deal if you want to get it for accessories for your GoPro. I mean, if you buy like the original GoPro accessories, they're pretty expensive. Well, not that expensive, but it's gonna cost you more than $10 to get all of what you want, what you get with this camera. Well, yeah, guys, that's basically it. I'm just gonna wrap up the video. Like, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and like always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out.